Well, welcome back, folks. I'm going to be using this today because I've got a caterpillar problem on my Delphiniums that I've rough seed last year. So I've mixed up 1/2 ml for a litre. Well, this is 1/2 litre, so it's double the strength. So I know it's got fungus fighter on, but it's actually this stuff. So I would like to go organic, but I don't know anything else that kills them as well as this does. So I'll just mix this up, and then we'll get in the front and start spraying. Right, here we go. First of all, I'm going to be pruning all these. Just cut that main stem off, like so. So it's like that, nice level. So get this one here. All you're doing this time is just tidying them up, and I will weed them later on. But I'm gonna have to pull all these little bits off, like so. All I do then is give them a spray. Just make sure you kill anything that's on them. Like so. And get these sprayed up on top here. You can see the damage just there. As soon as the shoots are coming through, the caterpillars eat the tops off. So by spraying, you're giving them a chance. These were from seed last year, these. I'm really looking forward to getting the first flowers this year. So they should be really good. So basically this is just my Delphiniums. Spraying and treated them for bugs and parasites this spring for the flowers. I've fixed more around to the front, so we'll be getting a lot more sun now. They should start really setting off. If you've got any questions about Delphiniums, don't hesitate to ask. If you like the videos, please subscribe. Thank you for watching, and have a good day. If you like videos, give me a thumbs up, and thank you for watching.